Hey, it's Katie with WTI. If you love to DIY and you don't want to end up saying, why did I? You are not going to regret using this headlight restoration coat by Cerakote. This was so easy that I could have done it myself. I didn't do it myself, but I could have. My husband did it because he's really into cars and I made dinner. This kit is just a 3-step process to get them looking this good. It comes with everything you need. It has gloves to make sure you keep your hands clean and safe. And it also comes with a wet sander so you can get the cover of it nice and gritty before laying down that ceramic coat. There are 3 very easy steps to this. The first and the last are just wipes, and the second is, as I mentioned, the wet sander. It comes with 2 different grits of sandpaper. You use the 2000 before the 3000, and then you follow up with the ceramic coat wipe, and really you can get this done in 15 minutes or less. This did a great job. It was very user friendly. You can follow the QR code to watch the video to make sure that you're doing it the right way. We definitely recommend this product, and that's our point of view.